welcome back to the video, guys. Hopefully you're having a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, whatever time you're watching this video. We are currently on the way to go meet Rafa, Mezz, Fastlane D, Blondie, a couple others. Unfortunately, I do not get to shoot with them today, only because there was an issue with the driver who was driving the altered dark around. I think he was a local. He wasn't answering his phone anymore. So like, now I'm going to be bitch boy. I mean, I'm not really looking at it like that. I'm looking at it as an opportunity to go meet these guys once more and hang out with them for the day. So I'm going to be shooting in between me driving the truck around and like stuff like that. So hopefully this will be a cool little video, kind of like filler content, if you will. So yeah, we're gonna make the most out of it, because you know it kind of does suck I don't get to work with this guy and get some good rollers and whatnot. I mean, and then I'm also in between getting rollers for everybody, or not rollers, but like video, everybody just hanging out and whatnot in between. So that'll be cool. Low fuel. Come on now, rookie mistake. Dude, Beamer boys are on top. What can I say? I cannot lie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dude, Mezz is so fucking good at wheelies, bro. want to say thank you to Papa Rafa invited me out here. S1K Wheels invited me out here and actually talking to them, making sure it's okay for me to come out here, because me shooting with Ben and everything, it got all kind of hectic. Oh, they're doing a little switcheroo. But yeah, I was supposed to be shooting with their videographer, Dark, and a bunch of stuff got screwed up. They needed a driver for the truck, which I was going to do that, but then now Ben's driving the truck and using the Osmo Pocket. All his stuff was already packed up in the truck, so we're making do with what we got. Golly. Rafa is so big on that bike. Rafa is a tall ass motherfucker, man. Oh, the hat. Oh my god, the R1 chop is crazy. Yeah, everybody left. I know, didn't say anything to us. To kind of cap off the video, I know in the beginning of the video I said I wasn't able to shoot with dark, but I just got done shooting with unrendered. I'll throw his Instagram up on the screen. Hopefully the shots turn out pretty good, because my bike is completely filthy. Like, it's dirty. We're freaking mobbing through downtown Atlanta, and different cities and whatnot. But hopefully this video can be something. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit like, comment, subscribe, share. Comment down below who your favorite YouTuber is, if you saw them in the video or not. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.